At USC Consulting Group, we use AI, machine learning, and predictive analytics to solve complex problems and optimize client processes. Let's take a look at how we do it, where it can really help, and where it falls short. AI enables a machine to sense, reason, and act like a human. If you've used ChatGPT or something like it, you've used AI. AI and machine learning are closely related, but not the same. AI is a machine that performs intelligent tasks. Machine learning allows machines to extract knowledge from data and learn from it. USC uses AI, machine learning, and predictive analytics to achieve desired results. You're already familiar with predictive analytics. When Netflix or Amazon suggests what you'll like based on past views or purchases, that's it. Predictive analytics is the ability to forecast future outcomes using AI based on data. This technology has the potential to transform operating procedures and processes for many industries. Using AI in predictive analytics helps our clients significantly improve quality, increase productivity, and lower costs. At USC Consulting Group, we like to say predictive analytics is where traditional statistics meets machine learning. But there's one thing these bots don't like: variation. Any variation and you can get skewed results. In manufacturing, variation is a non-conforming product. The output is perfect until it isn't. What causes it? Whatever the cause, variation impedes the bot's ability to predict outcomes. If AI is going to render accurate results, it needs minimal variation. But, as we all know, life is not a dataset. Variation is happening all around us, all the time, even in projects where we need great precision. At USC, we get to the bottom of variability. We study the process from beginning to end until we uncover the culprits. Our customized quality system minimizes variation, achieves process targets, and improves AI. AI, machine learning, and predictive analytics are powerful tools, but only as good as the data supplied to them. That's how USC Consulting Group uses the human touch to make sure AI achieves the desired results.